Hello, this is Axel with Pedal Electric Tech Support. We're going to show you how to install your MIK system on your Pedal Electric. For this job, you'll need a 3mm hex wrench, an 8mm box wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. Your kit will also contain 4 bolts and 4 nuts. Your kit will also contain the hardware to attach to the rack. We'll start by first attaching the lower hardware. Your MIK logo will face towards the back and the notch will face forward. We can start with the MIK logo facing at the back, followed by putting the front bolts in. The basket can be oriented either horizontal or vertical on the bike, but this triangle helps with orientation, so you want that pointing forward. As long as it's pointing forward, the bolt holes will align. To connect the basket to the MIK system, you'll need these 4 screws and these 4 spacers. The assembly of this is as such, where the screw goes directly into the basket, the spacer goes rounded and up, and then that screws into the connecting piece for the MIK. And you don't want to tighten any of them all the way. We'll mock them all up and get them sorted. There's a gray button in the back. As that's depressed, it can click from the tail up and come out.